So children, in the previous class we have listened to the lesson. मैंने आपको लेसन पढ़ाया था और आपने लेसन को सुना था, बट हमने उसमें रीडिंग नहीं किया था. So let us read the lesson now. OUR our, TREE tree, हमारे पेड़. Listen and read. So ध्यान से सुनिए और उसको रीड भी करिए साथ साथ में. A little bird sees ripe fruit on our tree. A LITTLE little BIRD bird SEES sees RIPE ripe fruit 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 on our tree on OUR our TREE tree and eats a tasty berry AND EATS eats a TASTY tasty BERRY berry. So बर्ड ने पेड़ के ऊपर एक फल देखा और उसने उस टेस्टी फल को खाया. और वो कौन सा फल था? बेरी. द बर्ड फ्लाइज टॉल THE द BIRD bird FLIES flies TALL tall and a berry seed falls AND a BERRY berry SEED seed FALLS falls and a berry seed falls. The rains have come THE the RAINS rains HAVE have COME come. The rains have come. Hurry, let's run HURRY hurry. Hurry मतलब जल्दी करो, चलो भागो. Let's run LET'S let's RUN run. CLOUDS clouds RAIN rain and sun and SUN sun. Our plant is born OUR our PLANT plant IS is BORN born. Our plant is born a little one a LITTLE little ONE one. Now a tree NOW now a TREE tree with branches long WITH with BRANCHES branches LONG long. So हमारा बड़ा सा पेड़, उसकी लंबी लंबी टहनियाँ हैं. Cross and bird song CROWS cross and BIRD bird SONG song. Crawling ants CRAWLING crawling ANTS ants. And spider's web SPIDERS spiders WEB web. Caterpillars with tiny legs CATERPILLARS caterpillars WITH with TINY tiny LEGS legs. So caterpillars के छोटे छोटे पैर भी हैं. Rich green leaves life aplenty RICH rich GREEN green leaves. Rich green leaves life aplenty. The tree has fruits THE has fruit. Some big some THE the TREE tree has fruit HAS has FRUIT fruit. Some big some small SOME some BIG big SOME some SMALL small. Some big some small. LET let us pluck them PLUCK pluck THEM them. Let us pluck them. But do not fall BUT but DO do NOT not. Do not FALL fall. Crows perch CROWS crows PERCH perch. Squirrels run SQUIRRELS squirrels RUN run. And see the monkeys having fun A-N-D and, S-E-E-C the monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S monkeys, having, H-A-V-I-N-G having, F-U-N fun. Some strong branches, S-T-R-O-N-G strong, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S branches, strong branches, W-I-T-H with pretty swings, P-R-E-T-T-Y pretty, S-W-I-N-G-S swings. Our beautiful tree, O-U-R our, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L beautiful tree, T-R-E-E tree, has so many things, H-A-S has, S-O so, M-A-N-Y many, T-H-I-N-G-S things, has so many things. So we have read the lesson. आपको ध्यान से सुनना है और खुद से भी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो एक्सरसाइज तो हमने लास्ट वीडियो में पहले ही कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं. सो आज हमने रीडिंग ही किया है. प्लीज़ आप भी लेसन रीड अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करिए. ओके, बाय बाय.